Okay, now we are going to discuss the same adjustment, second part. No, because first I have explained you. Maybe you have some idea or not. Sometime. Basically, I just give briefly explanation. Now we are going to do the second part now here. See, the trial balance says electricity 2600, meaning that electricity bill, utility bill is already paid 2600. That means already paid, and it comes to trial balance mean double entry is finished. Double entry is finished, completed. If you complete a double entry, then you don't need to write down again double time. Just open the electricity account. Electricity account. That is debit side balance 2600. Write down debit side. Just write balance. Why balance? It comes from the trial balance. Clear? Meaning that already double entry finished. If anything in the trial balance, if you are writing again, you write only one place, not two places. That's why electricity account, we just put it debit side 2600. Now look at this adjustment. Electricity payable 400. Electricity payable 400, meaning that still we did not pay. For that we have to do double entry. Each and every adjustment we should have double entry. Now electricity payable 400, meaning that we have to pay 400, but you think now you paid. You have to think now you have paid. That means organization, going out credit, come in debit. If you think that you are paying me, money is going out, case account credit, electricity account debit. Okay, this you understood, right? But not paid, still not paid. Then you cannot write the case account. You cannot write the case account. That means you have to pay. That's called payable. Which account that you want to payable? Electricity account payable. Then you can say electricity payable account credit. Now see this double entry I am going to bring here. Which account debit? Electricity account debit. Now I am writing electricity account debit. How much amount? 400. Which account credit? Case account. Better to write down case account, then we'll see what is happening. Case account credit 400. But actually you are paying this money? No. We are not paying now. We will pay later. Then you cannot say case account, you have to say payable account. But payable account, what kind of payable account? Electricity payable account. Then you just cut this one, write down electricity payable account. Now electricity payable account is credit. Now see, electricity account debit, electricity payable account credit. Now what you are going to write down here? This account name. What is that? Electricity payable. Here what you are going to write down? This account name, electricity. You know these things that we have discussed already, right? Now we are going to balance the account. See, for this only one entry. Why one entry? Double entry we already did. That double entry is finally comes to trial balance, mean only one entry. But the adjustment we have to make two entry. See, this account debit, this account credit. Now what we are going to do? We are going to balance the electricity account and we see where it goes. Basically electricity is revenue expenses, expenses. If it is expenses, it should goes to income statement. Income statement mean we have to close the account permanently. If we close the account permanently, what we are doing? Total $3,000. Here also $3,000. You cannot write CDBD because we have to close permanently because it goes to income statement. Then we have the income statement here. Income statement. You have the revenue. The next heading is expenses. Now we know this one is expenses. How we'll bring it now? Keep it credit here 3,000 and we'll bring here 3,000. Then what we are going to write here? The account name is electricity. Here what we are going to write down? Which account it goes to? Income statement. See now, no CDBD. Why? Because we are closing the account. Clear? Closing mean how we are closing? permanently we are closing. We are not keeping that account for the next year. This year is finished. Now see the case account, electricity payable account. This case account goes to where? Balance sheet. Balance sheet means this amount is continuous for the next year also. Then what we should do, we have to balance this account, but you can close it but temporarily. 400, then here is 400. Temporarily close means you can say CD and then again BD $400. That means it is credit balance. If it is credit balance, what is that? Assets or liabilities? Credit means if you want to pay me, that is liability. It goes to liability. What kind of liability? Non-current liability or current liability? That is current liability because short period. Then we have to make the balance sheet also. Balance sheet under the current liability. Under the current liability, you can write down $400. What is that $400? Electricity payable. Electricity payable. Now I think you got the idea how we are going to treat these accounts. Basically, if it goes to income statement, just small idea I am giving now to get up to you. You can get it the point from here. Electricity, if goes to income statement account, we have to close the account permanently. When you close the account, no CDBD, because anything goes to balance sheet, we cannot close the account. Temporarily we close it, then it will continue with the next year also. That's why it's going to CDBD.